Welcome everyone back to the channel. As you saw from the intro, it's raining today. You can hear it through our barn roof. But so right now I'm just going to clean up this little room since that hunting dog broke down some of the hay that we had in here. I'm just going to clean it up. Then I'm going to go ahead and take care of our chickens. I'm going to change out their wood chips, take it along with that. Get some more water for them, get some more feed for them. And yeah, it should be pretty good. Tomorrow it's supposed to be sunny and bright and nice. So fingers crossed it will be so we can get some work done. But yeah, we'll just get some little bit of work done, take care of our chickens, and then maybe I'll talk to y'all for a little while. So. Probably just gonna use this hay for the compost. But I'm just gonna get out of the way so I'll have some room to work. It's all nice and loose, so definitely have to clean this out. Here are all the chickens and the guineas. They're getting so big. Definitely using this hay as insulator worked really well. So all I'm doing now is I'm taking out their feeders and their water, and then I'm gonna scrape out some of the wood shavings that we have in the bottom, and I'm gonna go ahead and change them out. And all this feed and this poop and these wood shavings are gonna go in our compost. So should be pretty good. They're getting so big. So all those are empty. Now, get a little shovel. Not a little shovel, a snow shovel. I'm just gonna scooch them away. Get in here with them. Just like this. Start cleaning up some of this. They really don't like that. Let's go ahead and add them. Their food's medicated, so I'm not too worried, but I need to get a giant Rubbermaid to put them in while I'm changing them, because they're way too big for the container that we were using. I'm going to go ahead and spread these out. Alrighty, well, let's let them get situated again, because they're gonna smother themselves and kill each other. Let them relax. yeah, everyone, like I said, I was probably just going to talk to y'all a little bit today. So as everybody knows, this is our farm channel, our homestead channel. My family and I purchased this end of August of 2019. We've been out here since then. Just giving y'all a little backstory. My dad is a retired police officer. I went to engineering school. My brother's a welder. My dad's name is actually Michael. Everybody knows Tristan's name already. My name's actually Cody. So now y'all know my name. My wife's name is actually Brett, and you'll meet her in future videos. Our daughter's name is Gwendolyn, so you'll see her in future videos, especially when we start dealing with animals. She loves chasing around our dogs and stuff like that around the property, or actually in the front yard because they don't get out right now. But yeah, just to get to know everybody and let everybody know our names, I guess, because I see everybody's name or whatever they put their names as, like when they put comments down. So like Eric Sapp and Carl Powers. I can't remember. Sorry if I mispronounced your name. I know you've been here since day one, so I appreciate that so much. But yeah, each day we're growing, we're learning more. For instance, like today you saw me taking care of the chickens and stuff like that. They're 2 weeks old now, so that's pretty exciting. They'll be in there for another 2 or 3 weeks before we put them out in the field. And we have to finish building our mobile chicken coop for them, so that will be an upcoming video. It's going to be super exciting. I'll have cows out there in that front pasture that y'all saw at the intro today. And that's actually a 7-acre field pasture, so we'll have like 15 cows out there, so that'll be really interesting. Never had cattle before, so we'll be learning that. As long as we don't kill them, we're doing something right, okay? But yeah, this whole thing, this whole idea was because we want to be self-sufficient. We want to be able to do whatever we want to do. I worked for a lot of people before. Tristan has worked for a lot of people. My dad has. Tired of making a lot of people money, and we want to build our own thing here. We want to build our own community and be able to do whatever we want to do and not have to rely on other people in order to get it done. So we want to be self-sufficient, self-reliant, really. You get what you put in, and through hard work and knowledge we'll be able to do that, and that's our goal. We just want to share our journey with everyone on YouTube, at least. Instagram and stuff like that. Like Instagram is so the bandwidth on Instagram is so instant that it's just so easy not to connect with people. People can just scroll and be like just heart all the time without getting to know anybody. Whereas like people invest time and build a relationship with everybody on videos and stuff like that. So over time we'll get better at storytelling and stuff like that. I feel like I'm getting better every day that I make a video. So with time we'll just get better. But yeah, I just want to say thank y'all so much. I know I say it in every video and people are probably like, oh, this guy's talking out of his butt or whatever, but it definitely makes the hard work worth it when people see it and they're like, oh yeah, that looks really cool, or y'all are doing a great job. It's very rewarding, because at the end of the day, like I've said before, it's for y'all. I mean, it makes us better people and stuff like that, but it's for y'all's enjoyment and kind of just to reaffirm to everybody that with hard work and putting in the time in, you can get those results too. Like that's the thing that people want, everything so instant and instant gratification. That's not how real life works. Like it takes time, and you gotta sow that seed to be able to harvest. Like quote unquote. It's not actual seed or anything like that. You gotta put in that investment, that time, and be able to dedicate yourself to it to be able to get a return. So that's what we're doing. And it is awesome. I just appreciate it. Been watching a lot more Outdoors with the Morgans and Justin Rhodes and Joe Salatin and
all kinds of other people. So it's awesome. Buck and Billy Ray, obviously, we always make that joke about Buck and Billy Ray, but I like him a lot. So just want to say thank y'all so much. Each day we're getting like 1 or 2 more subscribers, so it means that we're doing something kind of right. So that's pretty reaffirming for me, at least. So if y'all are new to the channel, thank y'all so much. I appreciate it. And just stick around. The journey is just beginning. We're only at this point 45 videos in. I've been making one every day. Tried to get better, hone my skills more quickly, so that when we start doing some really cool stuff, I'll be able to actually like share it, and it's not gonna look like a polished turd or anything like that. So just yeah, thank y'all so much. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all tomorrow like every day. So see ya.